Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, which is Unboxing Carlo. So today I'm with some breakfast cereal bar which is really healthy to eat, and you can grab them while you're traveling or you're late for office and all. These are really healthy bars. So what flavors I got? First one is chocolate, second is cornflakes, third is strawberry, and fourth and fifth are same, chocolate and cornflakes. So these are the three flavors bar. I got two extras, that's it. First I'm gonna show you this fitness breakfast cereal bar, and the flavor is chocolate. Source of calcium, so it's a good source of calcium. It contains oats and some extra cereals, and the brand is Nestle. So Nestle is very known and very famous brand. More is written about the product over here, like energy, fats and all. It's mentioned over here, and the company from where they are getting it is also mentioned over here. It is written Middle East Care Center, Nestle. So let's open it and do not waste much time. Just with the help of scissor, I'm gonna show you the bar. Isn't it looking beautiful, guys? Have a look. Amazing. The design, the pattern which they show in the package is similar. It's exactly similar. I'm gonna taste them all later. First I'm gonna open them. So this is the cornflakes, Nestle Gold cornflakes, source of calcium and iron, breakfast cereal bar. I told you you can grab them easily, keep them at your home. If you're late, you don't have time for breakfast, go for these bars. And this is with milk. And I tasted this yesterday. It was amazing. See how beautiful the corns are. Cornflakes is stuck, and over here there's a layer of milk chocolate. It's looking beautiful. So there goes the second one, and the third flavor is the strawberry. It is written fitness breakfast cereal bar strawberry. Very yummy. I love strawberry. So let's open it. The design, the color, whatever they have shown in this pic, it's amazing. The chocolate looks so beautiful from the packaging only. Let's see how it is from inside. Oh, nice. I'll not say that it is exactly same which they have mentioned in this package, because they have shown a little bit of red pinkish color of strawberry. Over here it's like marinated or caramelized strawberry, and very less. Over here you could see a little bit more. So these are the three chocolates. Now I'm gonna taste one by one. This first chocolate one, it's very soft to open and very nice. Let's grab it. The crispiness is there of oats and all, and the chocolate is just enhancing the flavor. I love chocolate. Very nice. I loved it. I'm just dying to eat all. So this is the second cornflakes one, and it looks a little bit interesting, like plain from here and the chocolate at the back. Nice. Guys, amazing. This is the first time that I bought these fitness bars, and they taste amazing. Loved it. Even though I don't like cornflakes, but in this chocolate form it's amazing. The third one is the strawberry, and let's eat it. You want it? Try. The flavor of strawberry is everywhere in this bar. Loved it, man. It's chewy, it's crunchy, it's amazing. So go for these bars. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos, and like my videos, friends. Thank you. Bye bye.